Welcome to Techno Cab HVAC Solutions Private Limited. We are an organization equipped with latest CNC machineries having two production setups, one in Mumbai catering to southern clients and one in Lucknow along with a warehouse in Delhi catering to our northern clients. We are one of the prominent manufacturers of thermal break aluminum profiles and nylon components for air handling units. This year, we have added automatic production line of making flame retardant flexible duct connector in our factory and in the event of Acrex 2023. We have launched 3 variants of flame retardant flexible duct connector for different applications. We have received tremendous interest for our newly launched products and also the existing ones. We, as a team, would like to thank all of you who have made efforts in visiting our booth and to those watching the video. Thank you so much for making this event so success. For more information on our products and services, please visit our website or contact us directly. Link for our contact is mentioned in the description. Thank you.